Man, oh man, if I had a silver ounce for every time I said something like, the elite are playing with a double-edged sword when they manipulate the precious metals markets, especially silver. Because if they slam the price down too far, the people go in and load the boat with physical silver. They give them a discount, they're going to load the boat. If they let the price rise, the elite are losing, right? They don't want the price to rise. They don't want any competition for their paper dollar debt system. And precious metals is absolutely competition. So they want to slam the market. But if they do it too much, massive amounts of buyers come out from the woodwork and buy up all the precious metals. Physical, not paper, physical metals. If they let the price rise too much, there's also a stampede. Like you saw in 2011, the prices kept going up and up and up, and people were just flooding in and flooding in and flooding in. Same thing happens. So it's a double-edged sword. Speaking of double-edged swords from silver doctors, silver demand roars back. U.S. Mint, get ready for this. U.S. Mint sells 1 million silver eagles in a single day. With silver prices smashed 11% in 48 trading hours, physical silver coin and bullion demand has roared back to life. To put the surge in silver bullion investment demand into perspective, SD Bullion, which is Silver Doctor's site for purchasing silver, SD Bullion processed approximately 550 transactions and moved through nearly $2.5 million in bullion Tuesday, roughly 20% of September's entire sales totals. That's just one dealer, the Doc Silver Doctors. SD Bullion CEO and co-owner Dr. Tyler Wall stated, "We've never seen anything like this. The volume of demand we experienced on Tuesday surpasses anything we've ever seen. And that includes Q3 of 2015, which was a really good time for them. Our outlook on the physical market just changed substantially. We're doing everything we can to ensure our customers have access to gold and silver bullion throughout the fourth quarter. I expect the rest of the market is doing the same." I would say so if 1 million ounces, specifically silver eagles, were sold in a day. You got to understand something. The U.S. Mint is the one that mints these silver eagles. Nobody else can mint them. You can't fake them. You can't have some other company do it. Only the U.S. Mint. This is a U.S., United States of America, minted coin. This isn't just some 1 ounce round that's got a picture on it, stamped into it of, the Indian head or the panda. It's not that. It's actually official currency as well. Well, I shouldn't say official, but it is considered currency. I'm trying to think, is it $1 or $2 face value on the coin? Or is it $5? I don't remember. But it actually has a face value, even though it's just, it's a silver coin. Face value, a few dollars. Real value, premium and all, $20. You're going to pay $20 right now. Even at $17.79. Matter of fact, you're going to probably pay a little more than $20, more like $21, $22 for a silver eagle right now. So when I tell you there's 1 million of the silver eagles sold in one day, how much other silver sold that day? The Indian heads, the Walking Liberties, the tons of other ones out there. It must be millions. Let's continue on. The silver bullion market began to show early signs of physical tightness Wednesday, the day after silver prices were rocked down to $17.65, which was down over $2 from the high of $19.77 just last Friday. The U.S. Mint sold 1.03 million 2016 Silver Eagle coins in 24 hours, nearly matching the Mint's sale for the entire months of July, August, and September, wholesale premiums on 90%, as they call it, junk silver coins have jumped sharply. Another early indicator of supply concerns watched closely by the market. Sunshine Minting, the company, sold out entirely of Silver Doctor or SD Bullion's most popular generic silver round product Tuesday, the Walking Liberty 1 ounce silver round. So that's it. That's what I was just talking about. Thank you, Silver Doctors, for answering my question. If we sold 1 million silver eagles, how did everything else do? Oh, I don't know. They just sold out of their number one selling coin, most as far as generic coins. And again, does it matter really if it's generic, as in it's just a 1 ounce silver round with some picture on it, or it's a silver eagle? There's always a premium attached to the silver eagles. However, an ounce of silver is an ounce of silver. So again, the Sunshine Minting sold out entirely of SD Bullion's most popular generic silver round product Tuesday, the Walking Liberty 1 ounce silver rounds, and is estimating next shipment around the end of this month, October. Several of the top 5 authorized purchasers have sold out entirely of on-hand 2016 Maple Leafs, 2016 Gold Maples, 2016 Gold Eagles, 100-ounce RCM silver bars, gold Krugerrands, and gold and silver Queens, Beasts, Lions inventory, with wholesalers' inventory resupply estimates ranging from 1 to 3 weeks. No reports on shortages or delays have emerged to this point on Silver Eagle coins, and based on our previous analysis that the U.S. Mint has likely stockpiled 4 to 5 million coins before ceasing allocations in July, we estimate the Mint to have a remaining Silver Eagle inventory somewhere between 3 and 4 million ounces. Over the short term, we expect these inventories to be sufficient to prevent major supply issues, barring another major leg down in silver spot prices when the jobs report numbers are released Friday morning. Compounding any market supply concerns on the demand side is the approach of Hurricane Matthew, which has shuttered operations for the rest of the week at Republic Metals Corporation, one of the nation's top gold and silver refineries, and threatens to dramatically impact the supply side of the gold and silver bullion market. The Miami-based firm was reportedly boarding up windows and closing up operations for the week early Wednesday, ahead of the approaching monster storm Matthew, which made a turn towards the Florida coast overnight Tuesday. So this is a prime example of what I said. When they nail the price down, that's normally a psychological move. Let's crush these people into thinking your investment is never going to be an investment. It's going to go down. Every time you think it's going to go up, we're going to slam it. We're not necessarily slam it, we're going to push it down. And then every now and then we do a number. And when we do a number on it, that's telling you get your hands off of that. Teach you another lesson. Except apparently there's no lesson being taught. The lesson that's being taught is you guys slam, I go buy. You slam some more heavy duty, I go buy a lot more heavy duty. This is fun. Because when it all goes down, you're going to allow me to have a bunch of silver, precious metals, whatever, at good prices. And then when the price, again, goes up, you just help me make a small fortune. I mean, I say me, I'm talking about all of us who have precious metals. So, again, what did I just say? I'll be doing a video. You guys, JP Morgan, show us who's boss. Club, show us what you can do. I mean, show us the power you guys wield. $10. Priceline negotiator. $10. Go on, lower. $9. Come on, tough guy, go lower. $8. Jamie Dimon, JP Morgan, go lower. You ain't got a hair on your hiney if you can't go lower than $8, son. Okay. $7 and change. Silver Eagles. Oh my God. Could you imagine what would happen? Could you absolutely imagine $7 or lower silver prices? The absolute panic and craze that would ensue because the prices are dropping like crazy. Normally, that's not how things work. Prices start to go up. There's a trend. Oh my God, I got to get in it now before the prices get too crazy. I got to get in there. Not prices are dropping dramatically. This is not really an investment because if I get in this now and they go lower, I'm going to be losing. Oh, I better wait. No, apparently the silver people don't care. I'm going to buy it. You push it down, I buy more. You push it down more, I buy more. You push it down heavy duty, I want to go buy heavy duty. That's why I always say, have a credit card on standby. Have a credit card on standby if you don't have the cash available to go out and pounce on something like this. And to be honest, if I was really looking at a time to get in right now, would I do what I've done in the past? Put on a credit card, pay the card off rapidly. Put it on a credit card, pay the credit card off rapidly so I can get it at that price today. So if I was in the, market to buy some silver right now, I probably would have done that. It's right as I'm doing this video. It's $17.79. It's at night, of course, 9:30 Eastern time. But I could take that credit card, boom, paid off quickly. Okay, good deal. That way, if I was to just say, well, I can afford such and such per week, it's going to take me a month or two to get the amount I want to get right now when I can just buy it all on a credit card at once. What if this price goes up $1? Well, over the course of the month. Well, that's just going to make your silver price per coin go up $1 or more because of the premium. So anyways, that's just a little pro tip from Jason at 4. Yes, use your interest rate garbage credit card if you don't have a way to get silver and you realize to yourself, right now is that time, let me do this. And I'll tell you right now, for me, now is not the right time because I've got what I wanted. My accumulation of precious metals. I've met my goals. So like I said, don't think for 1 second if they do a real nice number on silver or gold that I won't go back in. And I'll be honest, I've been having this thought lately that I haven't said, but I've been having this thought lately, so I'm going to say it now. If I get back in the market, let me go buy some more precious metals. If I get that mood or feeling, which it's going to come if I see them nail the price down, I might not buy any more silver. I may start to get some gold now. Not because I don't think silver is going to outperform gold in a percentage basis, because I do believe it will when this all goes down. I don't want to have to lug around, silver. If I can, if, what is it, at $20 a piece times 50, that would be $1,000, right? So we'll call it 55 of these or somewhere around there is what the price of gold is today. Do I want 55 of these more of these to carry around, or one of these that's gold that has essentially the same value right now? And when all this goes down, even if the silver does a little better, I'm not going to be unhappy with what my gold does. I had a little bit of gold years ago, small amount, and decided then I'm going all in on silver. So my mindset may change if they do a number again. We may see, like I said the other day, a repeat of 2008 where we were at 20, it's down to 17 again. They go from 17 and do a super number because Deutsche Bank fails or some other bank fails, and they have to hand off that silver short position to the next guy, and in doing so, they're flooding the market with the contracts to drop the price way down like they did before. If that event happens, like I said, I'm not going to be upset. Oh, not again. They did this twice now. Oh, no. I'm going to be thanking them. Like I said, JP Morgan, I'm going to be making the biggest, most powerful thank you video you ever saw. That's all I got to say about that. Take care.